Thank you, DJ Yanks. Now, there's something I ask my friend Joe all the time. What the F? Like, where's the food, Joe? You know, I always ask my friend Joe, like, what the F? Where's the food, Joe? And guess what? We have it right here on We Can Smile. They aren't strangers to Smile. They've been cooking up on this set for years. Chef Shay Stewart and Chef Akai Lindsay are going to face off in a taste-off. You like that? Face off in a taste-off.
Lots of quickness this morning.
Yeah, be quick like that on a Saturday morning. Not last night was a long night. Sipping on some good wine, and now we want some breakfast. So we have Dalton next to us. And he's also a chef.
He's
from Cook Up Creations, Dalton Williams.
I love, by the way.
Yeah. So we have 3 judges, and we are going to be asking our chefs to talk about their food. Yeah, Dalton, what are you expecting?
I mean, Chef Shay, they have been creating great food so far, and I'm excited to just taste what they have over there. It's looking so good so far. Can't wait.
I can't smell it through inner coal. Now waft, but I'm ready to try it.
You have a coal or
no
coal?
In ear or coal.
Okay.
All right. So we're gonna start with Akai.
Yeah. So Sakina, what are you expecting real quick?
Me? Well, I've been looking at it, and I see 3 or 4 that I can taste.
Yes.
So I'm ready because I'm hungry.
You're hungry, and all right. And you okay? So we're gonna be judging on presentation. We're going to be judging on taste
and creativity.
All right? So we'll go over to the chef.
And he'll let us know, walk us through.
Okay.
Chef Akai.
Good morning, guys. What I have for you prepared today is salt mackerel stuffed croquettes with pepper jack cheese. The croquettes is actually sweet potato, and it's served with a homemade honey mustard sauce. And the second dish is a saltfish ceviche. It's a Peruvian-inspired dish, but I add a Jamaican twist to it using saltfish.
Peruvian?
Yes.
Ceviche. Wow, me like it.
We can't even say I wanted to
I like when the chef them talk about them food, you know, because it always sounds so expensive.
Yeah.
And when it knock out a mackerel, it's expensive.
Yeah, what's the mackerel one called?
Oh, it's a salt mackerel stuffed croquettes with pepper jack cheese.
Croquettes, stuffed croquettes, some mackerel ball.
We don't try that. That's what I thought. But you know, when they said it sounds so much better. Chef Shay, what do you have for us this morning?
All right, today we have some of the best sellers at my restaurant, The Palette. So we have the sweet potato crusted snapper with our panko crusted cornmeal polenta. We have a yam and cheese stuffed chicken breast.
Sorry, is polenta ton calmier?
It's Italian.
That's exactly what it is.
It's Italian. It's Italian.
Oh, okay, man. So, mackerel balls and ton calmier.
Yeah. But hey, guess what? We're keeping it local.
Yeah,
you know?
that's right.
We're staying true to our Jamaican roots.
That's
you know,
right.
because we are homebred Jamaican chefs.
Of course.
Also, we have our yam and cheese stuffed chicken breast with a mango glaze. Served with a Thai curry rice with toasted nuts and dried cranberries. Well, dried sorrel, sorry.
Oh, look at you.
I like it. Looks very nice.
All right, so Judge,
Yes.
you know, you have to start the rounds and do the tasting.
Yes, man. Let's go, man.
All right, you go.
Go ahead. Well,
Oh,
everybody.
they must carry to we? Oh,
look
all
at
right,
ourselves.
Judgy, them say
Okay.
must
Okay, no problem.
from Judgy.
All right, just bring it to us. Let's you can we'll
Let's
we can all
start with
taste
Kai
at the same
since
time.
he's
right, no
okay,
problem.
since he's closer.
Okay, okay.
And then we just
Well, everybody that works on
some of us
Smile
just take up this
Jamaica
and
knows that I love
take out the
mackerel.
black tea.
Yes.
You love your mackerel.
Everybody knows that. Well, I've never had mackerel balls, darling, but I'm about to croquette.
Let's just see.
Okay. Oh, but I mustn't eat it off right because I have to taste.
I mean, if you
Mackerel
enjoy
then,
it.
I
Mackerel, yeah.
That's work the way
I find the mackerel. Okay.
But
Them
hold
say I
on,
mustn't show partiality, so no facial.
judges.
Okay. Next, may we have the ceviches?
I think I don't eat it. I taste
Yeah,
I eat.
it's a taste of. It's not a yam of. It's a taste of.
Okay.
So how them don't
Hey,
give us
look, don't
nothing
mix
to,
up mine. Come on, this after.
don't
Hold on.
it? So them don't give us nothing to clear our palate.
Some water.
Like how they give you coffee beans to smell in between smelling. They must give you stuff to clear your
We're
mouth.
supposed to have some water, I guess.
Is that what it takes, Joe? You must use water to clear your
To
palate?
cleanse your palate.
Take a crackers. And should some of this on it?
Yeah, Miss Birdie croquette. Yeah.
Okay, big up Miss Birdie. All right.
No, next thing I know myself is, oh, mercy, the man touched me right in my heart. Thank you.
Best thing on the Saturday morning.
Nice.
Let me have my pen. It's a combined score, right?
It's combined or you use it for each?
Of the
oh,
two
oh,
food
so-
then. Okay, I'm done. So Miss Birdie around the corner. Yes, what?
My turn?
I'm so ready for you. Chef Shay? Are you done, judges?
Yes.
All right.
Okay,
I have
so
the score.
I feel very professional. You know, so I can't eat that one
Okay.
day. It's pretty, but
Chicken?
I can't eat it.
Let me. And what's the rice?
it's a Thai curry.
Thai curry.
Oh, yeah, I got that. Oh, not.
We can look on it. I can tell you.
Lord have mercy, the plate sweet.
It look nicey.
How would this on tile plate black?
A Thai? A palette.
It's food safe. It's slate tiles. It's, you know,
God, it's nice.
It's nice.
it makes the food pop, you know.
And it saves us some money too. One plate.
Not
Just buy
necessarily, you
tiles.
know, no, man. They're
I'm
actually
joking.
made for food.
So
Are these red
joking.
peanuts?
Yeah.
Wow.
Natural raw peanuts that we toast. And a bit of garlic and olive oil.
All right.
And what's the sauce?
The sauce is a mango chutney that we make into a glaze.
Okay.
All right. Can't judge on the taste. My two are just going to be presentation and creativity.
You have to judge, man.
No, I can't judge on taste. I'll just take out the taste part and add and add. And make the average of 2 instead of average of 3.
Okay, I got you.
Mathematics works for us.
Yeah, man, mathematics week too. I think so. Or last week.
Wow.
Right, Joe? You remember?
Well, that's new. Okay, we have one more taste to taste.
All right, so this is done family style. So, you know, I'm bringing you guys
Everybody
together.
must name off of the one
Yeah, man,
palette.
everybody, man. Yeah, man.
All right. Thank you, please.
So this is our sweet potato crusted snapper.
Sweet potato.
Let me just talk from now. You see, everything when I eat, more than like it in that one box here. Please don't tell me to make none of them people. I say, I'm having him over there, son. I'm set to eat it all.
My girl. Pass on the more. Where's my fork? Chef, beg you my fork from the other plate.
I taste coconut milk.
Yes, in the polenta
Sweet potato crusted.
snapper.
I just, no, I can't eat sakina. So mine is in the middle. Yeah, man. So I don't have to buy breakfast this morning. That's the best thing about this job. They feed you.
The turn called me.
Let me smell first. Hold
Taste
on.
it. All right.
Hey, Yang, sing another song that talk about food.
And that means that you better can cook. Why you think that they have fire pretty little? Ooh, gee whiz. All right.
All right.
Here you go, Shay.
Yeah, man, thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, Shane.
You're welcome.
I'll just take it.
I'm done. I have
All right.
decided. I
chose
have
quickie?
decided. Look here, DJ Young, said too much. I cannot believe you.
I'm fine, it's
How you mean?
Here you go,
Thank
Chris.
you.
You're all welcome.
I appreciate it. What, that's cold. All right, so have we decided? Are we going to each give our individual scores? Or then
Yeah.
we're going to give one fat score?
We can't, well, so you say mathematics, so here, let me give you the numbers.
I didn't say I
add it up.
could do math. I'm just, okay, all right. We're going to give individual scores because Benji said we almost score up.
Okay, I'm hurrying, Benji. It's just so hard.
Okay, well, I'm ready, so I can give mine. In total, I'll start with Akai since we started with Akai. I gave Akai a 7 in total, and I gave Chef Shea a 9, partially because of presentation was just gorgeous. I appreciated his presentation. I love the taste of your ceviche, and I love my mackerel balls. But I do think the presentation is what kicked it over the top for me in terms of the judge off.
Yes. For me too. I can, looking at both plates, I think really Chef Shea plates really was very vivid and full of colors. Was very lively. I mean, the sauce on the sweet potato was absolutely amazing. I love that. I love it.
The mango sauce?
Yeah. That was the mango sauce?
The sweet potato crusted snapper was a lemon butter sauce.
Lemon butter sauce. I love it. Just adorable. And one thing I did love, the saltfish was ceviche was so flavorful. Like I saw it in a different way.
Yes, pepper.
Yeah, lots of flavor. So I think she kick it a notch for me just by presentation. Because first you eat with the eye first. So that grabs me right away.
Presita.
Yeah.
Well, to tell you, gentlemen, I want to thank you very much.
Thank you for having us.
Yes, for my breakfast. No, I will tell you, I am a mackerel lover, and I couldn't get to the mackerel. I wanted to bite and feel mackerel as a mackerel lover, so I was disappointed because I didn't get it. But that's just a personal thing. Your ceviche was perfect. However, I've heard it before. When it came to yours now, Shay, I was able to really enjoy that rice. I love the taste of the raw peanuts. Everything melted in my mouth. I loved what you did with the fish. Okay. I thought it was very creative and took it to another level of innovation with cooking. So I definitely would give you the winning score. I think
But the Toronto can cook. I give that
my esteemed colleagues would agree that you
she's
both
been
are
watching way too much MasterChef. Thank you so much for coming, guys. We've got to go for a break, but we'll definitely be eating all this food. More on Weekend Smile after this.